Introducing the Hoover Commercial MPWR 40-volt cordless backpack, part of the MPWR 40-volt cordless system. Powered by the new lightweight MPWR 40-volt battery, this backpack vacuum enables your team to clean large commercial spaces up to 4 times faster than with a cord, while also minimizing risks associated with traditional corded vacuums. The MPWR 40-volt cordless backpack is compact, lightweight, and equipped with an ergonomic harness to make cleaning fast, easy, and effective no matter the job. The Hush-Tone 2-speed motor enables your team to choose quieter operation with less disruption in hush mode, or get high-performance cleaning with boost mode for large messes and in high-traffic areas. The MPWR 40-volt cordless backpack is equipped with HEPA filtration and Hexaguard technology to trap 99.97% of dirt, dust, and pollen down to 0.3 microns for a clean everyone will appreciate. And versatility is endless with the removable MPWR 40-volt battery. Expand your productivity and runtime with additional batteries, or use it to power up other products from the MPWR 40-volt cordless system for versatile cleaning all around. Plus, at up to 40% lower cost of other commercial battery systems, both your productivity and budget go further than ever before. The Hoover Commercial MPWR 40-volt cordless backpack. The next generation of cordless is here.